history of smoking dates back to as early as 5,000.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
I think so. I feel so bad.
Where's the hospital?
On
Electric Avenue.
Okay, let's go.
You're smoking, right?
Yeah.
You know you have cancer. You need to stop.
That don't kill me.
Okay, let me
Listen to your heart. Oh my God.
You're dying.
I think it's up here.
Oh. Yeah, you're alive. No smoking here.
Peace.
I need to go now. The visit time is over.
Please don't go.
Doctor, she's not breathing.
Come here.
Is it true? Is it true? Is it over?
Class is over for now. See you tomorrow.
I had a dream that you were dying because you have cancer. You need to stop smoking.